All right, after walking all those steps, coming from the resort now, we're going to walk about 5 to 10 minutes down to get the motorcycle to go up to Tumulog Falls. Let's go. All right, after you get the motorcycle down at the where the highway meets the road coming up here, you get a motorcycle coming up here, and then from once you reach the top, you can either walk down or, like they are, get a motorcycle. So it's kind of steep. You can already see the waterfalls up there. As you can see, we made it. It says welcome to Tumulog Waterfalls. And yes, if you get too hot, you can even go swimming. So it's a nice place to cool off after your adventures through the jungles or through, whatever else you're doing here in Oslo. So the entrance fee to get into the waterfalls is 50 pesos. And it stays open until 4 p.m. every day. So think about coming down here, taking a dip, and enjoying your time here in Oslo.